Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add sites to Bookmark in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here I'm going to open my Yandex applications first. So if you want to add some sites to your Bookmark in Yandex, you just have to open it first. For example, here I'm going to open for some types. Now in these sites, just go ahead to this three dots icon at the bottom. After, in this pop-up, just scroll it down a little until you found out here the option which is add to bookmarks, guys. Here I'm gonna tap on it like this, and yeah, as you can see here at the bottom, there are information that this site is already added to our bookmarks on Yandex. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.